Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to bulk on and off alarm groups on your Samsung device. So with the update of One UI 7.0, you can now basically create alarms and you can group them all in one. So if you want to turn it off and on in bulk, let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up your clock app. Now here, as you can see, I've set two groups. One is school, which has 3 alarms, and the other one is work, which has 1 alarm. Now here, if I want to turn off all the group alarms, I can go ahead and tap on 3 dots, tap on alarm groups, and then go ahead and turn this off. However, if I want to only turn off the school alarm in bulk, I can go ahead and tap on this and then tap on turn all off. So this will only turn off all the alarms for my school category, while the work will still stay on. If I want to turn off the work one, I can go ahead and tap on turn all on. I can go back and now both are turned off. To turn it back on, I can go ahead and tap on the category, turn all on, tap on work, turn all on. So there you go guys, that is how to bulk, turn on and turn off alarm groups on your Samsung device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.